Hey, Bongegile here, bringing you the latest updates. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you do not miss anything I upload. For days now, Menzingubane has been trending on Twitter since he got admitted at a Johannesburg hospital. His family has since come out to rectify the reports that said he is fatally ill and in a critical condition. The family revealed that though the actor was not feeling quite well, his condition is not critical and he is recovering quite well. After the statement was released, a fake account on Twitter posted that Menzingubane has passed away, which is not true. This account posed to be an ENCA account. Some people believed the false reports and started spreading the news of his passing and sending messages of support to the family. In a recent tweet, Menzingubane posted and pleaded with everyone to help him report that account that was spreading the false news about him dying, and went on to explain that he had already reported the account and asked everyone else to do the same. Menzi is not the only celebrity to go through this. Actress Sophie Ndaba has also been a victim of that hoax after a picture of her looking thinner circulated. Fake Twitter account started spreading fake news saying that she has passed away. She trended on Twitter several times as a result of fake news about her death. Illness and death are very serious and take a heavy toll on families. Even if someone is a celebrity, should they be sick or going through a difficult time, their privacy should be respected and they should be given the space to privately deal with whatever they are going through.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Till we meet again. Bye.